Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel 2F homework bonus. So, if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So, I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade, your assignment, and your exam. So Excel 2F homework bonus. So open the Excel 2F homework bonus. Excel 2F homework bonus and go 22 Excel chapter 2 grader 2F bonus. Click the download the materials and download the all files. And go to the downloads and open the Excel 2F bonus. And next is open the Excel file 2F bonus. Click the enable editing and assignment title is Excel 2F bonus. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So total step is 17 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel file student Excel 2F bonus access downloaded with the projects. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 2F bonus. So we move to the main project step. Step number 1. Open the Excel file student Excel 2F bonus Excel downloaded with this project. So I have already downloaded the Excel 2F bonus and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is rename the sheet 1 as a northern and rename the sheet 2 as southern. So copy the northerns and right click and click the rename northern, and next is rename the sheet to southern. So right click and click the rename southern. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is select the northern sheet tabs to make it is an active sheet and then group the worksheet in cell A1 and type the Hustler landscapes and garden and merge and center the text across the range A1 to F1. Apply the title cell style, merge and center the text A2 across the range A2 to F2 and then apply the heading 3 cell style. So select the northern sheet tabs. It's the active worksheets and group the worksheets. So right click and select the all worksheets and next is in the cell A1. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A1. So select the A1 and press enter and next is A1 and merge and center the text A1 to F1. So A1 to F1 go to the home tabs, go to the lemon groups and click the merge and centers. So apply the merge and center and apply the title cell style. So select the A1 to F1, so to the home tabs and the cell style, title cell style. So apply the title cell style and merge and center the text A2 to F2. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter and A2 to F2, merge and centers, go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups, click the merge and center and next is apply the heading 3 cell style. Apply the heading 3 cell style, click OK So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the bonus rate for each salesperson are determined by the sale amount using the following scale: sale eligible for a bonus greater than value and 5% sales bonus for a 4%, all other the sales greater than 0 and to bonus rate 2% with the sheet still group in a cell C5 and use the if function to determine the bonus first salesperson whose sale are B5 and fill the formula down through cell C8. So select the C5 in the bonus rate and type is equal to type the if function, and next is select the B5 greater than 350,000 and 5%, and next is select the B5 greater than 25,000, 4% B5 0 and 0%, close bracket and press enter. So result is 4%. Determine bonus rate first salesperson who sell B5 and fill the formula down through cell C8. Copy the formula in cell C8. Press enter, and next is so fill the in cell C8, and next is so question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in cell D5 calculate the bonus for a rate by multiplying the cell eligible bonus time in the bonus rate and copy the formula down through cell D5. So in cell D5 select the D5 and calculate the bonus rate multiplying the cell eligible for bonus time, the bonus rate, and copy the formula down through cell D8. So select the D5, type is equal to and B5 multiply by C5, press enter and copy the formula down through cell D8. Copy the formula in cell D8. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in cell F5 calculate the total composition by summing the bonus and base salary for it. Copy the formula down through cell F8 in cell F5 and F5 to calculate the total composition by summing the bonus and base salary for a rate. Copy the formula down through cell F8. So group the worksheet, type is equal to type the sum function and D5 to E5 and press enter. And next is copy the formula down through cell F8. So copy the formula in cell F8. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is insert the row 9, use the function to sum the column for cell eligible for bonus, base salary and total completion. Apply the accounting number format with the two decimal places. Cell row 5 and row 9, apply the autofill to column which and column is error display. So in row 9, use the sum function to cell eligibles and the sum function cell eligible for a bonus. So type is equal to type the sum function, press enter. Sum function, press enter. And next is column cell and bonus. So next is to bonus type is equal to type the sum function, bonus, press enter. Bonus and next is bonus salary. Type is equal to type the sum function, press enter. And next is total composition. Type is equal to type the sum function and select the range total compositions. So type is equal to type the sum function, bonus, and next is type is equal to type the sum function, press enter. And next is total composition, press enter. So next is apply the accounting number format two decimal places, cell row 5 and row 9. Apply the autofit column and column errors. Row 9, row 5 to row 9, row 5 and row 9. Apply the accounting number format, row 5 and row 9. Accounting number format in row 5 and row 9 and apply the autofit column. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is apply the comma style with the two decimal places. Cell row 6 to 8 do not include the percentage. Apply the total set style B9, D9 to F9. So next is apply the comma style to decimal places. Comma style two decimal places, click OK. Two decimal places, click OK. Row 6 to 8. Six to row and the comma style and two decimal places. So next is apply the total set style B9 to D9 to F9. B9, D9 to F9, apply the total sales tax. Apply the total sales tax B9 to D9 to F9. So question number 8 is complete. Question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, ungroup the worksheet and then insert the new worksheet. Change the sheet name is summary and then written column A to 28 and column B to E to 21. So ungroup the worksheet and insert the new worksheet is summary worksheet. So right click and give the rename summary worksheet, and next is column A, column width is 228, column A, right click and column width is 228, click OK, and B to E 21, B to E, right click and column width is 21, click OK. Okay, so question number 9 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments, and save and close the file and submit for grading. So click the file and save as to browse, and next is click the save, close the Excel file and upload the assignment. Excel 2F homework bonus. So open the Excel worksheet, upload the assignment and check the score. Excel 2F homework bonus, go 22 Excel chapter 2 grader 2F homework bonus, upload the file and submit for grading. Excel 2F bonus, click open, click upload. So we're waiting for grades in Excel 2F bonus. So you can see the score. Excel 2F bonus current score is 94%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and year exam. So you can see the score, current score is 94%.